Hey guys, it's game time, and today I'm going to open another box of 17-18 Prestige Basketball. I have done pretty well with this. I've pulled a really expensive, or really valuable Reggie Miller autograph, a couple of other decent autographs. This stuff's been pretty good to me, and the price has come down quite a bit. It hit the market at like over 70, close to 80, and then it's dropped by a good at least 20 bucks. So I guess maybe other people aren't doing so well with it. I'm not really sure, but I went ahead and saw this box on sale and picked up another one since it has been good to me. Obviously, I'm looking for a lot of the rookies, and I'm looking for 2 autographs. And hoping maybe I can pull another big one. Or a good rookie autograph. That would be sweet. I think one box, I didn't get anything too great, but other than that one box, this stuff's been pretty good. And of course, I feel like you can't really go wrong with this rookie class. I mean, some of them may bomb and fizzle out, who knows, but for now, it's pretty good stuff. There are a lot of inserts in here, a lot of the low dollar inserts, but you can get parallels too. Alright, and let's get into it. Kid Gilchrist, Antetokounmpo, Beasley. First insert is Kawhi Leonard, Stars of the NBA. Booker and Jarrett Allen is our first rookie. I'll try to go kind of quickly. A lot of my videos I've noticed are going really long, and I'm going to try to fix that while still letting everybody see the cards. Hield, Rose, Fournier. These cards are a little bit bowed. Not sure why. All-time greats. Julius Erving, Draymond Green, and OG Anunoby. Then we have Lou Williams, Jamal Murray, Justice Winslow, Hakeem Olajuwon, all-time greats. Alex Len and Sindarius Thornwell is the rookie card. Lovert, Whiteside. These are actually have dinged corners. I don't know if you can see it. DeMarcus Cousins. Well, that stinks. Let me set those aside. Highlight reel, LeBron. That one, the corner slightly dinged. It sucks. Iguodala and Selden Jr. There's nothing more aggravating than getting damaged cards straight out of the pack. Redick, Porzingis, Crowder. Oh my god. I wish this would be an autograph, but I think it's a parallel. It is. Very nice though. Crystal parallel Tatum rookie. If that had been an autograph, I probably would have passed out and like not even been able to finish this video. That's still a gorgeous Tatum. Rudy Gay and Tyler Lydon. Cauley Stein. Damn, more dinged corners. This sucks. Ding ding. And then a Justin Patton with a little ding too. What in the hell gives? Swanigan. This one actually looks alright. This one's dinged, and that is dinged. Man, that is crappy. Glad that Tatum was alright. Dragic, Rondo, Ginobili, Crystal parallel. Making sure that's alright. Malik Monk. Red parallel. Etch, micro etch, I guess. Ariza and Todosic. Gasol, Millsap, Walker. Oh, please. Oh, whew. I was about to say, please don't be the autograph. I've pulled a lot of Jonathan Isaac autographs, and I've got enough. Curry and Anagbu. Gallinari. DJ. Oh, God. Please don't let this be the autograph either. Oh, damn. DJ Wilson has followed me around. And actually, this has a dinged corner. Jeez. So it's a crystal DJ Wilson autograph with a dinged corner. Man, that is a kick in the teeth. What in the world? A Devon Reed with a dinged corner. And McCollum. Wow. What? This box is... I guess that's what I get for saying it's treated me well. Hayward, Matthews, Schroeder, Fultz. And actually this is in pretty good shape, thankfully. Leonard and Sterling Brown. Beverly, Jokic, oh, another Tatum, rookie class, and it is okay. Carmelo Anthony and Tony Bradley. Saric, Hardaway, Love, Antetokounmpo, Stat Stars, Evan Turner, and Harry Giles. Deladova, Pope, Griffin, Porzingis, Hardcourt Heroes, but it has, and it's crystal, but it has a dinged corner. What a shocker. Jesus. Ibaka and a Markkanen rookie. Oladipo, Dwayne Wade, Biyombo Ntilikina, rookie class, Harden, and John Collins. Barnes, Hill, Carter, Yabusele, rookie class, Lillard, and Kyle Kuzma. That is okay. Nowitzki, Chandler Parsons, Hernan Gomez, highlight reel, Antetokounmpo, John Wall, and Korkmaz. Lavassier, Lopez, Gordon. The non-parallel version, of course, is fine, while the better version is damaged. Miles and Jonathan Isaac. Kilpatrick, Muscala, Horford. Looks like it's damaged, and this card is numbered out of 199. LeBron James, stars of the NBA. Looks okay. Johnson and Derek White. So it looks like these foil cards have really taken a hit in this box. The box itself, I guess there's a little bit of damage there on the corner, but by and large it doesn't look terrible. Let's So I'm not really sure why so many of these cards are coming out beat up. Embiid, George Hill, Julius Irving, Playmakers. Haven't seen this before. It's a really cool looking card. It's not numbered. Wow, that's a really nice looking insert. And a Ojale, Porter Jr. and Tatum Sweet. And this looks okay. Should still have one more autograph, which hopefully is not beat up. LeBron, Vucevic, Middleton, and there it is. Bonus shots, Middleton, and it looks alright. So good. Then we have Frank Jackson. I think this is the parallel. Yes, it is. And it looks okay. Harris and Lonzo. And that Lonzo actually looks alright. Conley, Harris, Howard, Swanigan, DeRozan, and Jordan Bell. Covington, Lee, Irving. Here's a LeBron. Sweet. Let's see if it's damaged though. It actually looks okay, so that's good. It's the crystal version highlight reel. Drummond and a Markelle Fultz rookie, which is also in okay shape. Noel, Green, Lamb to 199, and it looks okay. DeMarcus Cousins, Hardcourt Heroes, Morris, and Yabusele. And our last pack. The last pack has Holiday, Burks, Holiday, Thomas Bryant, and it is dinged, so it is a goner. Josh Jackson and Ulyss. So, wow, this was pretty disappointing. Glad the price had come down. These are all base cards. I'll have to check out these cards a little bit closer. All of these were damaged. Ding corner, ding corner, ding corner. If anybody wants any of these, you can email me at gametimecardshop@gmail.com. You can send me a self-addressed stamped envelope. I think I can send at least 2 cards, maybe 3, and a self-addressed stamped envelope to you. Again, if you want the Bryant, the Horford, somebody might want this Porzingis maybe. Just email me. I'll give you my address. These were all the rookie cards. Again, I'm gonna have to check each one to see if they're damaged. Inserts and other parallels. This was a really cool card that I don't recall getting in any of the other boxes. And then these were the, I think, undamaged red parallels. The Fultz was nice there. Ginobili crystal parallel. And then the Middleton, which fortunately was alright. A Tatum rookie, The damaged DJ Wilson with the ding corner, and the really good looking Tatum crystal. And that is it. That's all she wrote for this one, guys. Thanks for watching. Everybody, please take care. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. And comment. Let me know what you're up to. Did you open any of this? Anybody else get damaged boxes? Or am I just the lucky one? Everybody take care.